Mastering Pharma Imports, Regulations Guide. Welcome to our video on the process of importing goods subject to pharmaceutical regulations. If you are involved in the pharmaceutical industry and looking to import goods, it's crucial to understand the specific steps and regulations involved in the import process. In this video, we will guide you through the key aspects of importing pharmaceutical goods, including customs brokerage, customs bond, and the importer security filing, ISF. Importing pharmaceutical goods require meticulous documentation and compliance with customs regulations. This is where customs brokerage comes into play. A customs broker is a professional who acts as a liaison between importers and customs authorities, helping importers navigate the complex documentation and procedural requirements. Their expertise ensures smooth clearance of pharmaceutical goods through customs, providing valuable assistance with classifying goods, calculating duties and taxes, and ensuring compliance with import regulations. A customs bond is a critical component when importing pharmaceutical goods. It is a financial guarantee required by customs authorities to ensure compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. Think of it as an insurance policy that protects the government in case of any violations, non-payment of duties, or other financial obligations related to the imported goods. By obtaining a customs bond, importers demonstrate their commitment to adhering to customs regulations and fulfilling their obligations. The Importer Security Filing, ISF, is a mandatory requirement for shipments entering the United States. It is an electronic filing that provides detailed information about the imported goods to customs authorities before they arrive at the port of destination. ISF data includes essential details such as the shipper's name, consignee's information, container stuffing location, and a list of goods. This filing enables customs authorities to assess the security risk associated with each shipment and make informed decisions regarding inspections and clearance procedures. Importing pharmaceutical goods subjects you to specific regulations that ensure the safety, efficacy, and quality of these products. It is vital to comply with these regulations to prevent potential risks to public health and avoid legal consequences. Regulatory authorities may require additional documentation, such as licenses, permits, or certificates, to verify the compliance of the imported pharmaceutical products. Working closely with a customs broker experienced in the pharmaceutical industry will greatly facilitate adherence to these regulations. Let's now walk through the key steps involved in the import process for pharmaceutical goods subject to regulations. 1. Preparing and submitting documentation. This includes gathering necessary information, completing the ISF, and ensuring compliance with pharmaceutical regulations. 2. Customs clearance. Once the goods arrive at the port, customs authorities review the documentation, inspect the cargo, and calculate any applicable duties and taxes. 3. Post-clearance actions. This involves paying any duties or taxes owed, arranging for delivery or pickup of the goods, and complying with any additional requirements imposed by regulatory authorities. Importing pharmaceutical goods subject to regulations requires a thorough understanding of customs brokerage, customs bond, and the Importer Security Filing, ISF, along with compliance with pharmaceutical regulations. By working with an experienced customs broker and diligently following the import process, you can ensure the smooth and compliant importation of pharmaceutical goods. Thank you for watching this video. Keep an eye out for our upcoming videos where we will explore more topics related to international trade and customs regulations. Disclaimer note below. See you next time.